part of our Well Book Day celebrations, we made these bookmarks. I did them with my year 5-6 class, but then I also came home and then had to go out making them with my 5-year-old daughter, and she loved making them as well. So I thought I'd show you how to do it. It's really simple, but really effective. So you start off with a square of any coloured paper. You can make it as big or as small as you want. I've just used an A4 size and then folded it over. And then all you have to do is fold it over into a triangle and just encourage children to press the folds down really well. Now for step 2, we take the bottom right corner and we're going to fold it up to the top corner here. Fold it over there. And then we do exactly the same with this corner here. So once you've got your 2 folds like that, you then open it back up again. And now we're going to take just one of our top corners, leaving the back bit still up like that. We're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it down to the bottom here. Now the last bit is where we're going to be making this fold here to make our little pocket for our bookmark. So we take our bottom corner here, we've already folded it up, we're going to fold it up and then we're going to tuck it in. This is the trickiest bit. Tuck it in and under, and right into there, and press it down and give it a really good fold. And you end up, if you turn it that way round, with a little pocket that you can tuck inside the page in your book. All that's then left to do is to use different coloured paper, pens, whatever